Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys apps notification setting guys in our Samsung phone device guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you disable your, your apps notification guys. You want to disable guys, you don't want a notification on your screen. So friends you can disable it. In this video guys I will show you guys how to disable app notification. So friends, first of all guys, we will have to come in our guys phone setting to disable our apps notification. Then guys, you can see your notification settings. So friends, tap here. Then guys, click on this more setting, and guys, you can see guys your most recent guys 19 apps. But guys, we will have to click on guys all app list. So friends, you can see all guys 87 app guys we have. So which app notification guys you want to off means guys disable, so guys you can disable from here guys. Then guys you cannot see guys your, as guys I disable guys YouTube notification, so guys I cannot see YouTube notification on my Samsung phone device. So like that guys you can off guys your apps notification guys. This blue icon guys, tap here. So guys you can off your apps notification, like this Chrome notification guys, you want to off it, so you can disable from here. So if this apps notification will disable, then guys you cannot see your apps notification. So like that guys you can disable your app notification in your Samsung phone. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video.